Welcome back to Sprakeover Homestead. Today, we give you 5 good reasons why you need to start homesteading this year. So one of the great things about homesteading is that a lot of times it cannot be done from the couch. It's going to force you to get outside and enjoy Mother Nature. While you're doing that, most everything is begun during the daylight hours, so a clock really doesn't become an issue anymore. It doesn't matter if it's 2 p.m. or 10 a.m., you're going to go now based off sunlight. So you become more in rhythm with Mother Nature, and it gets you outside to enjoy it more every day. So the next reason you need to start homesteading this year is you no longer need that gym membership. You remember last year, it took us 3 days, but we put away 20,000 pounds of hay. Yeah, that's some exercise. It wears you out, but you don't need to be on that step climber anymore. Forget that rowing machine. Get outside and get some exercise.
So another reason to start your homesteading journey this year is one of my favorite reasons, and that is because this is your journey. There is no right way, there is no wrong way. Every way is unique to the person doing it. Whether you want 6,000 watts of solar panels, a windmill, or a little tiny Harbor Freight kit to run your cabin. Whether you want to grow all of your food or none of your food, the choice is yours. But just get out there and give it a try.
Another great reason to start homesteading this year is that it gives you an opportunity to learn something new every single day. No matter if you have the skills now, you can always enhance them, or if you don't know how to do something, by golly, you can get out there and learn it for yourself to do it on your homestead.
Another great reason to start homesteading this year is to get a little bit more in touch with your food supply. Whether that's growing your own chicken, creating your own beef stews and soups, or growing your own green tomatoes, carrots, and beets, it gives you a chance to get out there, get your hands dirty, and really get acquainted with where your food comes from. Gives you a chance to eat a little bit healthier and to control what your family's putting in their stomachs.
And the last reason you need to start homesteading this year is sheer pride. If you look behind us, we've put in these barns, a complete solar system, and all the road and everything else on this property came with these 4 hands. That is the amount of pride. Every day we can see exactly what we have done through our own hard work and determination. So with that, there are some top reasons why you need to start homesteading this year. Now as for us on Sprakeover Homestead, we're going to go enjoy some fresh homestead cooking. That's it for us this time. We'll see you next time.